Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. On September 27, 2021, India successfully test fired a new version of Akash missile, which is Akash Prime, and this happened from integrated test range at Odisha's Chandipur. As per the sources present during the test, the Akash Prime missile intercepted and destroyed an unmanned aerial target successfully. This successful missile test firing was congratulated by the Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, and he specifically mentioned that the Defence Research and Development Organization, the Indian Army, the Indian Air Force, and other stakeholders have proved their competence in designing and developing a world-class missile systems. Not only that, the officials mentioned that the Akash Prime is equipped with indigenous and active RF seeker for improved accuracy, which makes sure the target at which the missile is fired is hit without miss. These Akash Prime missiles also incorporate other improvements like ensuring the reliable performance under a low temperature environment at higher altitudes. DRDO Chairman G. Satish Reddy also congratulated the team involved for its successful flight test. He specifically mentioned that the Akash Prime system will further boost the confidence of Indian Army and Indian Air Force. The Indian Air Force has deployed these Akash missiles at their bases in Maharajpur AFS, which is Air Force Station, and Hasimara Air Force Station and Logigon Air Force Station. Indian Army has deployed these Akash air defense system along the line of actual control in Ladakh as the tensions between India and China arose during 2020 and which is still going on. The Indian Army's radar and launchers are based on the T-72 chassis, whereas the Indian Air Force version uses a combination of tracked and wheeled vehicle. Both the Indian Army and Indian Air Force launchers have 3 ready-to-fire Akash missiles each. So that was a quick update on the recent test firing of Akash Prime missile by DRDO, which happened on September 27, 2021. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.